So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to talk about one more LeetCode question and we are going to solve it optimally. Okay, so let's start. So we have given a string array words and a binary array groups. So what we have given, let me just make one array. We have given an array of strings. Okay, so for this we will have like this elements inside the array. So like this ABC. And then we have also given in binary array groups both of length n where word size is associated with group I. Okay. So we have also given, so this is, they are saying as words and we have given one groups also. Okay. So we have given 0 1 binary digits basically. So 0 1 1 which is named as groups. So yeah, so let's check the second statement. Your task is to select the longest alternative subsequence from word. So what is subsequence? A subsequence is an array that can be derived from another array. So we have an array and we have to derive another array from that original array by deleting some character, but the order should remain the same. Okay. So we have from words, subsequence of words is alternating if it for any two consecutive strings in the sequence, the corresponding element in the binary array group tuple. So what we have given that these are linked with each other. Okay. So the index 0, 1, 2. The length should be same. The length going to be same. And what we have fixed these character with each other. So like this. And what we can do, we have to find the longest alternative subsequence. What does it mean? It means that if we have, like, if we take this string and corresponding to this, we have integer 0. And for B, we have corresponding integer what? 1. And for C, we have corresponding integer 1. Again 1. Okay. So we have to check the parity of the group's element. Okay. If this is 1, then the alternating or the adjacent should be 1. Okay. And the addition of this should be 0. Otherwise, if this is 1, we won't take it. If it was like 0, then we have to take C also in our solution. So the solution will be basically A and B. So as you can see, the type is easy. So we can just take the brute force, or what we can say greedy solution. Okay. So yeah, that's it. So it is written everything here. Elements words are distinct. So every element are different. So for this words string of array, we can check. We have EAB and we have groups 0 0 1. So we can see for E we have 0, for B we have 0, and for A we have 0, and for B we have 1, right? So we will take E, first element will be taken because irrespective of its parity, if it is 0 or 1, we will take it because we are doing it which greedily. Okay. For greedy, we will just take whatever we have at very first or as the beginning. So we will take E, then we will check if the parity of A is similar to E. What does it mean? If it is 1 or 0. So the both are 0, so we won't take A. Then we will jump to the next character. If it is 1, we will take it. Right? If it was like 0, then we won't take it. So it would be like E only. So yeah, for the next example, we can also check A, B, C, D. Then 1 0 1 1. So 1 0 1 will be can be taken easily. Then we have one the same parity as the previous character, so we won't take it. Yeah. So that's that on this question. So if we talk about the solution, so we have created a vector of string. So the return type is a vector of string. So we have to create a vector of string so that we can just easily return it at the very last of the code. And we have taken n equals to word of size. So the size of both the arrays are similar. So we can just take n for both of them. Okay. Then we have a DP. We have created a DP. So we are not creating a DP actually. We are creating a recursive function because DP consists of recursive plus memoization. It will store the elements also, right? But here we are only using a recursive function. So we are calling the function DP here. So it is going to be a void type, and we have passed all the inputs. words, groups, and 0 and solution. 0 will be the integer I, and we have solution. If the I is equals to n, then we will return it. What does it mean? It means that just do that. So we have an array like this, and we have some characters. Okay, so on, so on. Last character will be like D. Okay, it is of n size, and we have I equals to 0 from at the very start. If it will be at the last, it means I is equals to n. The it is pointing to the last element. So does what does it mean? It means it will return it. It will return nothing because it is a void return type. Okay. So what we have? We have taken a condition if I is equals to 0 or okay, it's not and it is or group I is not equals to group I minus 1. So for this we can also check it. So let's erase this. So if we have I is equals to 0 or I is equals to 0 or your group I is not equals to group I minus 1. So what does it mean? So we have two arrays as I it is written in the question A, B and C. If we take an example where this is words and then we have group as 0 and 1. It is a binary thing, right? 0, 1, 1 like this. For three elements we will have corresponding three elements in the group. So what does it mean? If it is I is equals to 0, so it means that it is pointing here, right? I is equals to 0. So what we are doing when it is pointing here, we are doing what? We are push back. So we are inserting that element into the solution array, which we created here because we will just return it. At the last, we will return it. We have taken an ampersand such that it will remain in the solution even after the function executed, right? So we will insert the word I. Which one? So let me show you. So word I, we will insert this element into the solution. The solution will consist of, so as I said, we will take the first element irrespective of its parity. If it is 1 or 0, because we are solving it greedily, okay? So yeah, we have taken the element first. Then we will call the again the same recursive function with the words, groups, n and I plus 1. We will just iterate I to I plus 1. I plus 1, which will become 1. So when it will become 1, it will point to B. I equals to 1, it will point to B element, right? So when it will point to B, it will point here also. I is equals to 1, it will point to the 1. So we can check if group I is not equals to group I minus 1. We will check if this element is not equals to this element. Is it? It is not equals to. So what we will do? We will just solution dot push back your word size. We will just push back the word on that, right? So we will again push back the element. So we'll add this and this. No, for this we have taken different example. Yeah. So we will push this one and push this one. And for when I will plus equals to 1, it will become 2. So when it will be 2, it will be pointing C. And for corresponding, we have 1. We will check this, and this one is same. It is not. So, sorry, it is similar to the previous element. So what we will do, we will not push back this element. Which one? C. So the solution will be A and B. So that's the solution. I hope you like it and I hope you understand it very well. So if there is any issue, please let me know in the comment section and do subscribe. Thank you.